Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below. So, Catherine, tell me what's going on.
I've had bilateral knee pain for about a year.
Okay.
I think the straw that broke the camel's back was when I fell playing soccer. I did fall on my left knee. I was having some knee pain before then, but fell and did split, so my right
Oh,
leg.
wow.
Since then, I've been feeling like I was walking on a longer limb.
Okay.
Like my right leg. I saw a homeopathic medical doctor who was also a chiropractic doctor, and he said I had a leg length discrepancy. They put me in a heel lift for 3 months.
Oh.
Then I chatted with some of my colleagues, and they were like, you don't have a leg length discrepancy. That's functional, not structural problem.
Okay. Because of your language, what's your background?
Physical therapist.
All right. Awesome. So you had chiropractor treatment. What other treatment?
I've had regenerative joint injections.
Okay.
Both knees.
Okay.
Yeah. Seen movement specialist for my problem. And
So is that what discipline is that?
a physical therapist. Movement
specialist.
Yeah, he put me through a series of specific movements and exercises to do to enhance my strength of certain muscles, but didn't actually touch me.
Oh, okay.
I was, like,
Yeah.
concerned when I developed a lot of groin pain. I never
After
had.
exercises. Sorry about that. Yeah.
I've been through some homeopathic changes with my diet. I'm trying to reduce inflammation, but I've also to one doctor that the same one that does the regenerative joint injections. He actually does ozone therapy to the pelvis. And
Okay.
I've tried that, and it helps, but I've found myself slipping out quite a bit. Like I'll literally
Okay.
go from sitting to standing and hear multiple cavitations in my SI joint. Non-painful, but I feel like
That's after strenuous exercises.
that.
So your pelvis was okay until you start to have strenuous exercises. That's what flared it up.
No pelvis cavitating like that until I go
After.
through this exercise.
And the other history, you had a hip pain. You said you had contusion in your glutes area.
Contusion in the glute. Yeah, I think it was like 6 or 7 years ago. I felt boarding impact on the left glute. Doctor said it's just a vacuum of fluid. It's gonna drains. It's just gonna fill back up again. So
Okay.
I'm treating it. Then I've had a history of chronic ankle sprains on my right side, inversion ankle sprains, and that's been about maybe 10 plus years of those.
Okay.
Not every year, but more than 5.
How much pain from 0 to 10 in your knees at worst, and how much pain in your ankle?
Worse in my knees, I'd say maybe an ankle about 6 or 7.
Sick. Okay. And give us number and tell us when you start feeling the pain.
Actually, right now it's not too bad, but maybe a 2.
Yeah, you look unstable a little bit.
Yeah, I feel it too.
Yeah, so.
Otherwise I'll fall over. And then here, I get to about there before I start to feel it.
How much 0 to 10?
About 3. I can go farther and I get higher. But
That's when you get to 8 or something like that.
yeah, if I go down further, I'll get more.
Okay. So you said you feel it too with walking, or what
Yeah, I
other
started
machine?
feeling it with walking.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's walk a straight line toward me.
All right.
You're limping a little bit. Let's have a seat. So how much pain with walking? Squatting and walking, or there's something else?
I've kind of addicted myself to squatting and walking, retrain my body as much as I can, but it's so out of balance.
Try the range of motion again. Squat down and tell me how much pain from 0 to 10. How's that?
No pain.
You going further? Awesome. Beautiful. You move very smoothly.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
that
look
one
nice.
didn't feel so shaky.
What about that?
That one's easier. I did the restriction injury like the 7-year-old.
But no, so let's walk back and forth and tell me how you feel.
My legs feel symmetrical. It doesn't feel like I'm vaulting off one leg. I don't feel the pain right now.
Any pain, discomfort? Okay, you can have a seat. What do you think about ASTR treatment? We did.
Pretty amazing. Quick, efficient, ergonomically friendly. And it's unique. I don't know anyone else doing it right now. I
Well,
also haven't been around for long.
I'm starting to teach ASTR this year, actually, to therapists. Whoever learned it, you know how to do it.
Definitely would want to take the course.
Sure, awesome. So much.